The 2021 Toyota Tacoma is built for those who demand rugged capability, reliability, and adventure. Whether you're hitting the trails, towing your gear, or navigating city streets, this midsize truck is ready for whatever comes next. Inside, the Tacoma offers a modern and durable cabin, complete with comfortable seating, intuitive controls, and advanced connectivity to keep you in command. With smart storage options and a refined interior, this truck is as practical as it is tough. Under the hood, a powerful and efficient engine gives you the strength to tackle any job, while Toyota's legendary off-road technology ensures confidence on any terrain. And with Toyota Safety Sense, you'll have advanced safety features designed to keep you protected on every journey. If you're looking for a truck that blends strength, style, and reliability, the 2021 Toyota Tacoma is ready to roll. Visit High River Toyota today for a test drive or contact us now for more details.